YouTube was Gwynnin. Back at it again with another one. It's your boy Osa Sensei. Alright, so today what we're gonna be doing are going over the sounds of the letters. So from last lesson, we talked about uppercase letters, and then we have lowercase letters. So the big letters you see over here, the big A, the big J, the big R, the big M, the big O, those are uppercase letters. And then we have the little ones, this little S, that little T, little E, little J, little G. Those are gonna be your lowercase letters, all right? So to review again, the uppercase letters, their sounds are gonna be the actual letter. For example, this big A is A, this big J is J, this big T is T, this big W is W. But now the lowercase, these small ones, they have their own sound as well. Alright, so we're gonna begin right now. So get ready, take notes. And before we even begin to this, you gotta show some support, you gotta show some love. So, like, comment, subscribe, share, spread the word, alright? So now let's begin. So this A is gonna make the ah, the ah sound. This little B makes b, 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 b. That little C does k, 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 k. The little D makes d, 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 d. The little E now makes eh, eh, eh. This little F also, this little G, 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 g. That little H, that little I, eh, eh, eh. That small J, 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 j. That little K, 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 k. Now, that might have been a little confusing because there's another letter that had that same exact sound. Can you remember? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Alright, so if you were thinking and you got it right, that would have been C. So notice C makes the k, k, like cookie, and then the K makes the k, 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 like a kitten, right? So let's continue on. This L is gonna make L, L, L. That M, we can do The N is like N, 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 N. That O, the lowercase p, 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 p. The lowercase q, 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 q. So again, that q might sound similar to k and k, the C and the K, but Q, it's its own. You're gonna have to practice this one. It's like a, for example, a word we use with Q is question or quilt. So when we start getting into like more deeper lessons, I'm gonna make sure you get this, because remember the goal. The goal is what? You will master and you will learn English, because Osa Sensei got you. I got y'all. All right. So let's continue. Next is the R. It's like a right? Then S. You know, that's easy. S, s, you know. The T. What is that gonna do? T, t, t. The U. So it kind of sounds similar to the O, which was O, but this is So next we got V. Next W. W, 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 w. The X. X, x, x. You know, that one you also really gotta practice. You see, I almost even messed it up. I almost got caught slipping, but I'm gonna do it again just so it kind of sticks, because repetition is key, right? That's how you learn something, we repeat. So X is gonna make the x, 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 like an X-ray, right? Or you might have heard this name in, you know, the movie The X-Men. Professor who? Xavier, right? So that's X. All right, we're almost done. We got Y. So Y does the y. And last but not least, we got the Z, and that makes the Z, Z, Z. You know, so it's like a Z sound, right? So that's pretty much it. You know, again, practice, and you know, we're gonna go to the next lesson and just continue and learn and learn and learn. So that's all I got for y'all today. See y'all again next time, and we're gonna get deeper. I believe we're gonna do numbers. So, you know, I'm gonna teach you guys the numbers, and then that's it. We continue on and we progress, and we make sure you do what? You learn English, all right? See y'all next time. Take care, stay safe. Practice. Adios, we out.